Insert bullet points in multiple Excel cells at once. Want to create a clean checklist in Excel with a bullet, triangle, or other symbol at the beginning of each cell? Excel has no built-in bullets button, but these two methods make adding bullets easy. Method 1. Custom format. First, select the cells where you want to add bullet points. Press Ctrl and +1 keys to open the Format Cells dialog box. In the category list, select Custom. In the type box, enter a bullet symbol, followed by a space and the @ symbol. To insert a dot symbol, hold the Alt key and type 7 on the numeric keypad, then release Alt. Then enter a space followed by the @ symbol. Finally, click OK. Now, a bullet automatically appears before the text in every selected cell. Bullet points aren't limited to dots. By using Alt plus number key combinations, you can easily switch to triangles, squares, and other symbols. Here are some commonly used symbol codes for quick reference. Method 2. Kutools for Excel. For a quicker method with more bullet styles, use Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools, select the cells where you want to insert bullets. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Insert. And choose Insert Bullet. In the dialog box, Kutools provides dozens of ready-to-use bullet symbols. You can even click Edit to add your own custom symbols. Simply select and click your preferred bullet. It will be inserted at the beginning of every selected cell instantly. Then, close the dialog box. Use custom format to display bullets without changing the original text, or use Kutools to insert bullet symbols into multiple cells instantly. Which method do you prefer? Follow for more practical Excel productivity tips.